Welcome to Strike a Pose with Sarah and Erica. This series is all about simple foundational poses that support range of motion, recovery, and how your body feels day to day.
Today's pose is Waterfall Pose. This is a restorative inversion where the legs are elevated to support rest and recovery.
From a massage therapy perspective, Waterfall Pose helps improve circulation, reduce leg swelling and fatigue, and gently stretch the hamstrings, glutes, and lower back.
Elevating the legs allows gravity to assist with blood flow while encouraging the nervous system to slow down and reset.
That combination can relieve pressure on the lumbar spine, release built-up tension, and provide significant stress relief.
Feel free to hold this pose for 3 to 10 minutes.
Let's strike a pose.
For this pose, there's 2 variations that you can explore. The first Erica is going to demonstrate, and the second I will demonstrate. So if you would like to do hers, you're going to go up against a wall. You're going to scoot your bottom as close to a wall as possible, and you're just going to elevate your legs up. If you don't have a wall to use, you can just come onto your back. You'll grab a pillow or a block. I suggest a pillow, it's a little bit more supportive. And you're gonna recline down onto your back. Lift them hips up, slide your support underneath of your sacrum. And one leg at a time, you're gonna extend your legs towards the ceiling. We'll hold this for about 3 minutes. If you're against the wall, you can definitely hold this longer. And just allow yourself to tune into the sensations that will arise with this pose. You may start to feel some tingling in the feet, and that's totally normal. It's just your blood shifting its flow from the feet down to the hips and low back. When you're ready to come out of this, start to wiggle the toes a little bit, maybe point and flex through the feet. Might feel good to roll the ankles. If you're against the wall, you're going to bend the knees, plant your feet to the wall, and then slowly come down. If you don't have the wall behind you, 1 foot at a time, take to the floor. And just pause, allowing your blood to kind of flow back into the feet. When you're ready, you feel that sensation rush to the feet, you can start to lift yourself back up.
And that's that. These simple poses can make a big difference when you come back to them consistently.
We're releasing a new pose each week as part of our 12 pose foundational series. Follow along, save this one, and keep practicing on your own.
And remember to like and subscribe to this channel for more content. And always remember to
strike a pose!